When anxiety runs high, the only thing we want is to get rid of it. We treat it as our enemy. But what if I told you this is not the case, even if it can feel like that? Anxiety is part of us, part of our huge palette of different emotions. We feel a lot of different things, from joy and excitement to sadness, anger, and yes, anxiety. All of those emotions serve a purpose and are important to have a full experience of life. It doesn't mean at all that you are ill or are about to go crazy. We could actually really begin to wonder if there's something wrong when we are unable to experience our emotions, any of them. So all of them are part of us, and no part of us is our enemy or has bad intentions for us. Anxiety serves us to stay safe and to focus on things that are important to us. The way it does it, though, can feel very uncomfortable, as this emotion is trying very hard to do the right thing. It might scream at us to pay attention to certain things, which is fair enough, but meant a little bit too well in certain situations. When we just want to get rid of it, fight it, are at war with ourselves, anxiety only gets stronger and has the tendency to generalize out. We begin to feel anxious about things we wouldn't normally feel anxious about. We wake up in the morning scanning ourselves to find out if we are feeling anxious or not. And we really try to find something. And whoops, it shows up. Our mind wants us to be right. So how can we get it just to whisper in a way we still get the message, but stay calmer? We can begin to listen to what our mind wants to tell us, instead of ignoring it or fighting it. Then it wouldn't need to be that noisy any longer and calms naturally down. And when it calms down, it can listen to us and what we know. What is it that we know deep down? And you know deep down and can remind yourself, I am safe. I can handle this. I did it before and I can do it again. It will be okay. As anxiety is part of human experience and serves a purpose, we can make peace with it and treat it as a friend. Treat yourself as your friend and listen. Anxiety won't have to overdo it any longer, and you can find more ease within yourself. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people to let go of anxiety and restore the happiness they deserve. If you like this video, it would be lovely if you would like to subscribe, like the video, share, comment, so more people could benefit. Thanks. Bye for now.